Hey guys, it is Leah and welcome back to my channel. I've got a really exciting video today which I'm hoping quite a few of you guys have been waiting for, because I know I have. It's been a pretty long process, but I have been redecorating my bedroom and transforming it to a completely different style, and it is finally finished after, I would say, probably about 2 to 3 months. It was quite a long process and I spent quite a bit of money. I'd say the overall amount that I spent on changing my bedroom was around about £500, which sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's not in comparison to how much it could cost. Like, beds are expensive, cushions are expensive. Honestly, cushions can cost you like £40 for one cushion. Yeah, that is what this video is all about. I'm going to show you what my bedroom looked like beforehand, give you a little tour of my old room, and then show you what my brand new bedroom looks like and show you all the new things that I've got, the new theme that I've got going on, and I'm really excited about it. So if you want to find out what my old bedroom looked like and how I changed it, then just keep on watching. So this is my door, and as you walk in, this is what you see. So I do have a pretty small bedroom. As you can see, this is the only floor space that I've got, so it's definitely not a lot, but I'll go around and do a little tour. So this is my door here. I've just got these little leaves on it which were for my autumn background, so I'll definitely change that. My light has got this little thing on, which I don't know if I'll keep that or not. Then I have got this white wicker wash basket, which I definitely think I'm going to switch up to like a brown one. And then I've just got this little bin, which again I'm probably going to swap for a little wicker bin. At the moment, my wardrobe is probably going to stay the same. I was going to change it, but wardrobes are expensive, and with everything else, it's definitely not my priority. So this is just a pretty basic, like, brown fake wood wardrobe. Moving over to my dressing table, I've just got a pretty, like, basic traditional white dressing table. I do still really like this dressing table, but as you can see, it is super stained and dirty, and I don't really know what caused this, but no matter what I try, I cannot clean this. So I might be getting a new dressing table. Again, this space is very small and very limited, so I have to get one that's going to fit in this space and is going to complement the theme. I also really love them huge round mirrors, so I really want to get like a desk and get one of those. If we go up onto the wall, I have got this bunting, which is super cute, but it's going to have to go because it's not going to match my new theme. And then I've got 3 prints here, which I think I'm going to swap out. Moving down to my bed, I have got a pretty, I don't want to say childish bed, but I'm 16 and I've still got cuddly toys on my bed, so I suppose kind of childish. My bed is just like a pink metal one with hearts on it. Again, it is probably a child's bed, so I am definitely looking at buying a new bed. My curtains are from Dunelm and they match with the bedding that is on currently. I will definitely swap those out. And then I've got a couple of things on my shelf. There's a little birdhouse there which is going to go. I've got to play around with things like this because these are not my priority. They're just going to be things that I'll probably gradually change. And then moving on to my shelf area, I've got this little moonlight which I'm definitely going to keep there. My on-air light is going to stay as well, although it's probably not going to match with the theme too much. I love it, so it's going to stay. And the majority of the other stuff on my shelves is going to go. And then moving down here, I have got my little makeup drawers, and the things on the top are all going to stay because these will match the theme. And then finally, I just have my fairy light wall. A lot of them have fallen down, but there's no point putting them back up because I'm going to have to take them all off to paint it. But yeah. Okay, so that is what my old bedroom looked like. And as you can see, it was very blue, but also very girly and kind of quite young. So I tried to just make it look a lot more minimalistic, kind of natural looking. And I was really going for the boho bohemian vibe. That's the kind of stuff I was searching up on Pinterest for inspiration, and I took some of those features of the bohemian styled rooms and put them into my new room. I'm pretty much just going to stop talking and show you what my brand new bedroom looks like. Let's get started with the room tour. This is the first little feature you see when you walk in. This is just like a little decoration. I actually don't have a clue what these would be called, but I found this on Amazon from a little brand called Chickadee. It came a lot smaller than I expected it to be, but it's the perfect little accent feature just as you walk in my bedroom. As you move down from that, I have my wash basket. Unfortunately, this is the same one as I had before, just because I have a really limited space here, and there's so many really cool baskets I would love to have here, but they just don't fit in this space, so I have decided to keep this one for now. This was from Amazon, if you are wondering. I'm going to try and link everything down below, but yeah, that was from Amazon a while ago, and it does the job, and at least it's just basic colours. And then moving on next to that, I've just got this little storage bucket type of thing. I absolutely love the design on this. I think it's so sweet, and I just use this as a little bin. I think this was about £6 or £8 from, I don't know the name of the shop. Again, I'll try and link it down below. As for my wardrobe, this is also something else which has ended up staying exactly the same. It's really simple and basic anyway, so I thought I would just keep the same one and not waste a load of money on a wardrobe that I already have. On the main floor area, I've actually got this little rug, which I really like, and I think really shows off the theme that I'm going for. So this was from a brand called Sass & Belle from ASOS. I absolutely love this brand. They've got some really nice homey stuff that aren't too expensive. I really like this feature. It's so cute, and I definitely think if you have a small room like me, you could get away with using a bath mat. But like I said, I think this really is a cute statement piece, and I really like it. It also ties in with my little bin really well as well, so I'm really happy with that purchase. Just to the right of my dressing table underneath my bed, I've got this really nice little storage bucket or box. This was from TK Maxx also. It was about £15. I really like the design on this. Adds some texture, matches with the rug, really cute. I use this just to store my shoes in, and it just makes the bottom of my bed look a lot more organised and kind of pretty. I like it. Moving over to my favourite little section of my room, this is my dressing table area. I'm going to go into detail on this, but this is what it looks like overall. The stool that I decided to go for was from a brand called Maison du Monde. I absolutely love this brand, would definitely recommend checking it out if you want a similar style bedroom to me or any other room in your house. This stool is so pretty. I went for just a white fluffy one with wooden legs. The legs actually match really well to the legs of my dressing table, which is partly why I went for this one. I just think it looks really kind of natural looking, to go with the natural wood kind of vibes. If you couldn't tell already, I kind of bought every aspect of my table separately. So the actual table itself was found in HomeSense in TK Maxx, and it didn't look like this, so we had to do some DIYs on this. I do have a full video where I show the process and the behind the scenes of getting my room finished, so you can kind of see what it looked like before. But basically this is like a little picnic food table. So the legs were crossed over, and the top of the table was actually the opposite way, and it was almost like a little tray on the top, but I decided to flip it over, make it flat, and have this little woven edge like facing downwards. We had to remove the legs and put them out straight. It was a task, let me tell you, but it was completely worth it. I absolutely love the way it looks. As you can see, it's just got this woven feature all the way around the front, and it's got the really natural wood. I actually like the way that this plank at the back is much darker than the rest. I think it just adds to the quirkiness of it. As for the little section on the top of my table, this is what it looks like. So I have still got my two little skewer pots from IKEA with my makeup brushes in. I just think they're timeless and they always look really cute. And then I got these baskets from Primark that actually came as a set of two. This is the bigger one, and in here I've just got all of my everyday makeup, all of my everyday skincare, and it's really easy to get to, and I think it looks, again, just really natural and kind of bohemian, which is the vibe I'm going for. And then just over here I got this little trinket dish the other day from Urban Outfitters. In here I've just got my AirPods to keep them safe and hair bubbles. It's kind of like a little, cool, we love that for me. It's kind of just like a little speckled peach. It's perfect. So I just have that on my desk over there. And then this is the mirror that I got to go along with the table. I had this vision in my head of having a huge round mirror, so that's exactly what I got. This one was from Next, and it's just got a nice gold rim around it. It cost me £60, and it's actually really hard to find round mirrors. I don't know why it was so hard, but I managed to find this one from Next. I absolutely love it, and I think it really finishes off the dressing table look that I was going for. So here is just a final pan of my dressing table space, which I am obsessed with. Strung across the back wall of my bedroom, obviously it's just a big white space, so I decided to get these really cute little fairy lights. These were also from Maison du Monde for about £10, and they're just these little woven wooden pineapple lights. I think these are so sweet, and they add something to the space without it being too much. Moving on to my bed, I honestly struggled so much deciding on which bed to go for because first of all, I've got a very limited space to fit my bed into, so I had to make sure it was one that would fit, which was the first thing that I struggled with. And then second of all, I just didn't know what kind of finish to go for. I didn't know whether to go for black metal, white metal, copper metal, gold metal, or whether to go for wood. Then is it brown wood, white wood, what kind of wood? I honestly struggled so much, but in the end I decided to go for a black metal hospital style bed. I really like the style. I feel like it's completely timeless. I really like it, and I think it finishes off my room. I think it really matches with the theme, and I just love it. It's so nice. And then as you can see, I've got two cushions sitting at the top of my bed. So the black and white patterned one was from Matalan. It's like the main feature cushion I've got, and I think it ties in really, really well with my rug that I've got on my floor and my little bin. And then the little one in front of it was from Debenhams. This is then the bottom of my bed. I decided to introduce more pink into this part of my room. So the throw was from Primark for around £12. The main pink, very, very soft, fluffy cushion was from Debenhams. I think it was quite a lot, you know. I think it was about £25, something like that. And then the white textured one behind was also from Primark, and this little marble pom-pom one was also from Primark. I'm thinking of swapping that one out because I don't think it really matches, but for now that's gonna have to do. The curtains that I decided to go with just look like this. These were from Dunelm for £55 for the specific size that I needed. I think these curtains really tie my room in together and add that more grey aspect to it. As you can see, I decided to stay really minimalistic and simple with my windowsill and just have a couple of little things on there. And then as you can see, just in between my curtains and my shelves, I've got a little area where it's just blank walls, so I decided to add this little fairy light moon. I think this is so cute and this looks so sweet in the evening when it's dark. This one was from Lisa Angel, and again, I'll try and link it down below. And then here we have got my shelves. These honestly haven't changed too much from what they looked like before. The bottom shelf is the same. The only thing I've changed is just adding this little pot, which I got from ASOS, again from Sass & Belle. Moving on up to my second shelf, I've got my on-air light. I've got a little candle there. This little candle is from Primark, and this little fake succulent is also from Primark. And then finally we have my top shelf. I've just got another candle, I've got two Russian dolls and a little arrow light, which I got from the range literally about 3 or 4 years ago. As for the little ivy garland, which I have hanging over, that was from Amazon. I got that for my birthday and I think it makes a huge difference. So I'm definitely planning on getting more fake and real plants just to make my room look more green and again more natural and earthy looking. I'm jumping right up now, but the light shade that I got looks like this. I actually ended up finding this in a charity shop, literally for £1.95. It's really old-fashioned and probably not the most good-looking light shade, but it matched with my theme with the woven kind of wood, and I actually like the way it looks overall. So I'm definitely going to keep that there for now, unless I find one that I really, really like that isn't too expensive. At the bottom of my bed, I've just got these little blue and white drawers. These are exactly the same as before. However, I am definitely looking into changing these, whether I just paint them all white or get some new ones. I don't think these match anymore, but they're just there for practicality right now. And then just to the right of that, I have the other little basket that I got from Primark that's on my dressing table, and it looks kind of ugly, but it's just got my camera battery chargers and things like that inside. And then finally, on the top of my drawers, I've just got this really cute little trinket dish from Urban Outfitters. I've got my favourite rock salt lamp, which was also from Lisa Angel. And then to the right of that, I just have this huge jewellery stand, which is marble and rose gold. I've got all my necklaces hanging from here, my bracelets, my rings, and then this little compartment opens up and I've got my earrings in there. I think that was from a brand called Stackers. Again, I'm going to try and link everything down below. So there we have it. That is what my new bedroom looks like. I really hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it down below. Also give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I'm going to show you the entire process. It's a really long vlog. It's about 30 minutes where I basically just show you the whole process of decorating my bedroom and going shopping for new things, DIYing, putting my bed up, the whole process. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and if you're watching this video late, I will have that video linked down below so you can watch the whole process. However, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave a comment, let me know what you think, like I said, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!